Today I'd like to talk a little bit about my garden. The year's 2024, it's probably June 22nd right now. And what I'd like you to do is take a look at my Ripping the Garden number 5 from 2023 and notice all the weeds I have in comparison to the weeds that I have now. The next portion of this video will be me spraying poison on the ground to kill all the weeds off, and you'll note that you'll see dirt instead of weeds. What I'm using for a spray to kill the weeds is a vinegar, salt, and dish soap solution, which you can find on YouTube if you're interested in finding a good weed killer. Okay, so you saw me spraying the vinegar solution on the ground to kill the weeds. And the other thing I do to keep the weed population down is I hand water each plant individually, so I can't give any nutrition to the weeds so they can start growing. And you'll see that in the next portion of this video. And so that's how I hand water each one, just keep the weeds under control. And I'm guessing you're watching this video because you enjoy gardening. And I want to share a story with you about some other people who enjoyed gardening. Several thousand years ago, there were some people that enjoyed gardening. So what they did, they erected a monument that could tell the seasons, kind of like a sundial tells the time. So they built this monument to tell the seasons, the summer solstice, the equinox, all that sort of thing. So they knew what time of year it was to plant their crops. And this building they had, it had a pitched roof on it, and it was a round building, and it had an oculus in the center of it to light up the inside of the building. So during harvest time, they would put their tables inside the building and have like a farmer's market and probably some kind of a Thanksgiving or whatnot. Today we call that building Stonehenge. And it wasn't a sacrificial building, it was a produce stand. And anyway, now that you know what Stonehenge really was and what it was built for, you'll be able to sleep better at night. And the other thing too is it was easy to build. They had technology back then to where it was easy to build, just like the pyramids were easy to build. They weren't hard to build. Everything we know about Stonehenge and the pyramids is a bunch of baloney. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the movie. Thanks for watching. Bye.